Hey, hi everybody. This is Zen, the Crypto Queen, and I have a Facebook page, which I hardly post on anymore, by the way, and Twitter, which I hardly post on anymore, by the way. I usually just do YouTube videos and hope to catch you here. And today I wanted to catch you up on XRP's News Today. I don't know how many of you follow the Daily Hodl, but I get alerts on my phone, and I just thought some of this was very interesting. I had been staking some crypto on Celsius, which once it popped up on the screen pop-up that you are unable to withdraw, I figured they were going through something with bankruptcy or some other kind of distressing news. One person asked me, oh, did you lose a lot of money? You know what? I never put money into staking or anything else that is a huge amount that I can't afford to lose. Do I like losing my Bitcoin and my Litecoin that way? No. But these are the risks that you take when you do staking or trading, which is why I don't trade. I don't know enough about it to do it without worrying about getting wrecked. Okay. And I do follow along with a couple of very highly paid individuals that do calls every day. And I take, on Telegram or Discord apps on my phone, and I follow along and I see where they're going with it. However, I just don't jump in because I don't like to lose. I don't like to lose, period. I'd rather hodl. Anyway, I wanted to just talk about XRP News Today. Just thought I'd touch on Celsius since it came up as a top thing, but it looks like Ripple's going to pick them up. And Ripple's XRP-powered cross-border payment product sees 800% growth despite this ongoing SEC lawsuit. So why the SEC doesn't just give up, I don't know. It's ridiculous at this point to me. Ripple versus SEC, U.S. regulator moves to block San Francisco payments company for using certain evidence in the lawsuit. Why? Because it doesn't suit your purposes, which is to make an example out of XRP as opposed to Ethereum or any other coin that you have deemed that it may have looked like a security from the get-go. This has gotten ridiculous. Here we also go. Let's go down here. SEC loses the bid to bar XRP holders from participating in the regulator's lawsuit against Ripple. Good, because it should lose that bid, because this is a ridiculous and frivolous lawsuit. My opinion only. And then ongoing news, Ripple lands a partnership with Singapore-based payments firm to leverage XRP for cross-border payments. FOMO Pay. I love the name of that. However, on-demand liquidity is going to be, this is where we're moving, people, with blockchain technology and XRP News Today. Look at what is happening. And that's from July 27th. Look at this one. July 25th, judges losing their patience in Ripple and XRP lawsuit as SEC changes its stories too many times. And, let's get into Hinman and the emails and all of that. It's ridiculous. So I'm hoping that this all wraps soon, but they do have, we're watching a show here, people. And, it has to play itself out the way that it is. In the meantime, this is not financial advice. It's simply what I'm doing. I have a fairly large bag of XRP, XLM, and XDC, and I plan on holding on to them, period, and seeing how this all pans out in the end. Look at this. Look at these headlines. So here's the Daily Hodl. Make sure you check in there once in a while, and I think I'll wrap it right there. Latest developments are really good news for Ripple and XRP. There you go. I just personally, I think it's bullish and being bought up because people know what they're looking at here and know the value in the long term. So I'm going to wrap it right there. Again, that's not financial advice, simply sharing what I do. And I check in with the Daily Hodl pretty much daily, sometimes just 3 times a week or so. But there is the wrap on the Daily Hodl. Thanks so much for being with me. I appreciate you, and I will catch you on the next video. Ciao for now from Zen, the Crypto Queen.